What's up? What's going on? So today's video is going to be a quick show and tell on how I achieved this look. These are Kinky curly clip-ins and more so of a 3C/3B texture. My texture is a lot loose than other Kinky curly textures, but again, it's still Kinky curly. And I know a lot of times where we struggle is we want to find something that looks just like our hair while at the same time it blending to look just like what we want it to look like, and of course no one being able to tell, making it seamless. So I'll zoom in, and as you can see, everything looks seamless, everything looks good. So just stay tuned and keep watching. The braiding pattern, there's no secret to it. You just want to have something flat. Typically we'll pull my hair together and then I will clamp the rest of my hair up with the bobby pin, and on occasion these will be flat twisted with some conditioning cream that I use to blend it. And as you can see, this is all the leave out I have. I don't have a lot leave out on this side, but I just got to leave out here and here to ensure that when it's time to blend, everything blends. So yeah, let me show you how these go in. That's how it looks from the side there. As you can see, it's super close to the front of my hair, and that's where you want it. And you just want to keep clipping them and making sure that they're super close to the front. And you'll hear snap as you put them in. So I'm gonna speed this video up so that you guys can see it get done quickly.